So, in this video, we're going to be testing smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors, plus a gas detector that I found here. And, yeah, at a beach house. Yeah, and, yeah. So, we're going to test 3 smoke detectors with this spray. And we're going to be testing the 2 carbon monoxide detectors with the test button. And then 1 gas detector also with the test button because we don't have a spray for those things. And yeah. So anyway, we're gonna get this started. Alright, so first smoke detector is in this kitchen. Not a very good spot for this, but let's test it. There you go, got it open. And get the same thing. There we go. Spray it. Here. Wait, whoa, it's going the other direction. There we go. Go off. What in the world? That's probably the other directions. Come on. Going off? What's happening? Come on. Wait, what's going on? Come on. I don't know. Come on. I don't know why this isn't going off. There we go. Alright. It's a talking one too. It also detects carbon monoxide as well. There you go. Alright, I'll have to turn this off. Press the button and we'll stop it. And we'll use the button and test the carbon monoxide part of it. Alright, so now it does detect carbon monoxide, so we're gonna hit the button. What's going on? Come on, just go off. Alright, carbon monoxide.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
There you go. Alright, that was the carbon monoxide part of it. Now we're going to go test the other 2 smoke detectors. Alright, so here in this hallway, we got a smoke detector. I don't know, this is like a smoke detector, but hey, we're going to test it. It looks like it has a green light, needs to connect to 120 volt power. Okay, it's connected to the other one, which is the master bedroom. No, those 2 don't have it. Alright, I'm going to stop it. Hopefully it stops. Alright, well that went faster than the other one in the kitchen. Hopefully that's good. But here, I'll hit the button, so I'm going to pause this. Alright, and that was that one in the hallway. We're going to test the one in the master bedroom now. So, yeah, that's it. Alright, so we're in the master bedroom now. And this is going to be the last smoke detector that's going to be tested. And yeah. So both in this master bedroom and the hallway are both synced. So that's why they both went off. I thought they weren't because the breaker didn't really say smoke detectors. I thought they were not synced, but they are synced. So yeah, we're going to test it and it should go off. Come on, go off. Come on. That goes off. Okay, the hallway one's going off. Alright, okay, those are good detectors. So, these are some good detectors, I gotta say. So, those are safe to keep in this house. Gotta air out the rooms. Alright, so now all the smoke detectors have been tested. Now we have a carbon monoxide detector in this master bedroom. So, it's behind this chair, so here, let's press it. Come on. Just go off. Just go off. Let's see. Alright, that one's working. I don't have an actual spray to test this. So, we're just gonna use a button. And that was it for this master bedroom one. We're gonna move on to the hallway one. Okay, so now this one's out in this hallway. So we're going to test it right now. Come on, just go. And that one's good. All right, and that was it for this carbon monoxide detector in the hallway. Final one is the gas detector. It's something I haven't seen before. All right, so now we're at this gas detector, and which is what I think it kind of is. Something I've never seen before. But hey, let's give it a test. Come on. Is it supposed to work? I don't know. Wait, I don't even know how you're supposed to do that. Hang on. Hang on. Wait a minute. It isn't beeping. I mean, at least it beeped good. Hang on. I don't even think that's a button. I don't even think there's a way to really test that thing. But hey, at least it beeped. There's no button. I thought that was a button, but apparently not. So, I guess I'm going to say this thing works, even though that, because it beeped. I'm just going to say this works, and these are safe to keep. So anyway, like, subscribe, tell me what I should do next. Goodbye.